So today we had our first day at the Primavera Festival 2025. I had a wonderful class today with many youngsters. I think we were around 100, and we've been working on the voice and the body. So I think it's very important to feel confident and be secured and feel safe on stage to tell your story. So basically where we work on is the voice, but all the things around the voice is even more important. So in this class we had a lot of fun, we enjoyed each other, we made jokes, we used the body in many ways, and with the program we have, we hope we can tell the stories of nice music with good stories, but also in the meanwhile we try to really feel engaged with ourselves, with the others and our audience. So we have to practice a little bit more because we have still a few days to come, but there's a good atmosphere, nice people, nice young people, and I'm very happy.